Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen how we can set a trap for getting the data using the proxy. Now we will see how to set how to use the set method for the trap in the proxy. We will see it's the same old example. We will see here class person. So I will be having constructor, so you all know about this, all the code, and this dot name is equal to name. We have the name. This dot age is equal to age. We have the age, right? Now I will create a proxy for this one. You can name it as person also, but we will be using the proxy here. Instead of new person creating, use the proxy. Okay, we will send the object, that is nothing but what we can say person, and we will send the handler. Now here let's say I will name it as proxy only, so that it will be very easy for us. Now what I will try to do is I will try to design the handler. Now I will write the handler. How we can write the handler is nothing but what we have seen in the previous example only. So we will be handler, we will be having the object, and we will be having get method. So get method is nothing but what we can say function you will be having, and you will be getting the object and key. Okay, you will be getting object and key, and how you will be sending return name, or otherwise what we can say key in object. Okay, if key in object is there, return that object of key, or otherwise send not exist or something like this. So this is the get thing. Now what I will try to do is I will try to set the set property also. Set function, you will be having same thing like object and key and value. Three variables you will be having the three properties. Okay, three arguments, sorry, and you need to keep a comma here. Now for the set object, how I will be writing? So for example, I will write a condition here. What is the condition I will be writing is, for example, if value dot length is greater than 3 or something like this, then only assign that one to that key. So we will use the reflect method here. Reflect dot set will be using what we can say, we need to give the object, okay, and I need to give the key, and also I need to give the value. If you remember this one, so whatever the proxy set takes here, the same properties here also reflect.set also takes the same thing. So we can use the proxy and set like the same, in vice versa we can use like this. So now what I can do here, I will try to set the proxy dot name is equal to something like what we can say. Right now we have person handler, and we try to send this one, right? Or what we will try to do is, instead of having the constructor, we will write the person. Okay, so instead of sending the all things, now what I will try to do is person name we have is as Leela. Okay, we can have person, we can have what we can say class also. So instead of keeping the constructors, I am keeping just simple thing. So now I created an object here, new proxy of person I am handling, and now what I will try to do, oh sorry, I need to give this person. Okay, now what I will try to do is proxy dot name is equal to what I can do, I will try to send something like John. Okay, now I will try to print the console.log proxy dot name. If I try to clear it and if I try to run it, I got the John as output. Now what I will try to do is, I will try to give only JOH or something like JO or something like that. Now if I try to run here, I am getting Leela only. So the name is not getting updated. Why? So here if we have checked the condition that value dot length is always greater than 3 only. If the value dot length is greater than 3 only, then we need to assign that one using the reflecting. So we need to update the proxy dot name. So in this way we can use set trap. Actually what we can say is, these are all we can name it as traps. So when we are trying to do something, we are trying to trap it. So this is all we can use the trap like that. So like this we can use the traps for setting and getting up the data. So in the previous example what we have seen, if you want to use the class, you can create an object here and you can send that object here, so like this, and you can create something like let person is equal to new person, something like this. If you create a class and you need to send what we can say constructors like this, okay, and we need to send this person object to into this one. Okay, this is how we can do the. So if you are using a object instead of a class, so we need to create first the object for that class, and we need to send this person to this proxy. For example, I will write quickly class person. Okay, I will have the constructor. So previously the first time while coding we have did, right? So now I can do this dot name is equal to name, and this dot age is equal to age. Okay, this is a basic class person. Now what I am trying to do, I am trying to create a person and I am trying to send that object to the proxy. Now what I will try to do, now I have given person dot name is equal to jo. So now if I try to execute, so it is Leela only. Why? So it is, we are sending through the trap, through the set operator. If the value is greater than 3 only, then update the object property of that particular property, or otherwise don't update. So if I write it John here, now the value's length is greater than 3. Now I can do the, now the properties get updated. So this is how we can keep a middle layer for the object, so that whenever we want to get the data or set the data, we can pass through the traps to that object, so that we can get the data through the traps. Okay, this is how we can use the get and set thing in the proxies. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comment below to this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.